contacted him. He said he'd be here tomorrow. There's not much I can do. I said, it's not my profession. I said, that's a whole nother ballgame.
Yeah.
And I said, that's brand new. He installed it. And I said, I don't know what's going on. So he ordered this thing.
Remember to subscribe and hit the bell notification.
All right. So let me finish this. So I think it might be that thing. We're just going to watch a couple videos here.
Yeah, exactly. But that's what we're leaving for. So.
Three sticks right here.
Yeah.
You don't happen to have a little light here, do you, Carl?
I got a flashlight. No, I got a better flashlight. Yeah. Actually, I got something even better. Okay, this. Ah, here we go. Yeah, I'll just hold this over your head. You should be able to see with this. Okay. There's.
Oh,
yeah. Well, I think we're leaning away from the compressor thing. I think we're leaning more towards the fan.
Well, I think it's either one, because this guy says that the relay kicked the compressor off, so it's overheating. So let's say it's this switching.
Well, that's weird.
Because I didn't hear no relay click.
No, I didn't either.
You know, so if there was an issue because of the fan or something overheating, we should have heard that relay clicking because the compressor was running. And in order to save that compressor, the relay should have been working. I mean, unless that guy come down here and unhooked that because he heard it clicking and said, hey, I mean, I'm not saying he said anything, but you think he would have said something, said, hey, I unhooked that compressor so it don't burn it up.
He might have and not have said anything to me. I don't remember him.
See if anything.
So it's doing its thing, but the fan's not going. Okay.
Surely we should hear that relay now.
Yeah. Top hot. Here. Top hot. Bottom knot. Top hot. Top hot. Top hot. T hot. T. P-O-T-T-O-O-M, not, fan, in, not, going.
Whatever for that fan, it'll be white, it'll have a white housing that hooks to the motor.
Okay, the one I'm looking at right now is a black housing, okay.
And then the fan is black, it's probably like 6 inches or so.
Okay.
But it should fit that model number there. Make sure that model number is with that.
Yeah.
And I'll pull that up on my time once you find it. And then we'll go ahead and order it. And if it's free delivery, I'll have you bring it right here.
Yeah.
Yeah. If you put it in, you can handle it, go for it. But if not, I'll put it in. I think it's just too old to plug the wire.
Yeah.
And then you plug it in.
Okay. I just need to find the right one.
Alright, I'll give it.
That was weird. That thing just turned on. Okay. That was weird.
At least we got it on camera.
Okay. Alright. But the thing is, I get the wasps. That's why when I first moved in here, I wanted, well, the cat will take off. I'd like the screen door, but the screen door won't fit, because you've already tried that. Yeah, you're safe, Kitty Kitty. I got a lot of things to look for today. There's the black. Okay. No, that's not it. Refrigerator F2FR. F2FR. Oh.